Hi, welcome to BMCHT videos. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, the newly launched flagship from Samsung. So let's talk about the specs. It comes with an 6.7-inch Quad ST Plus display with 525 ppi. It's HDR10 Plus supported, Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and it runs on Android 10.0 One UI 2. When it comes to processor, it's a Snapdragon 865 processor with 8GB RAM and 120GB storage. So we also have multiple variants on this. You can check the official site of Samsung. So when it comes to camera, it has 4 cameras: a 12 megapixel wide camera, a 64 megapixel telephoto camera which is having optical zoom of 3x and then digital zoom of 30x, whereas the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra has a whopping 100x digital zoom. And the third camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. It also comes with a super steady video. And the fourth is a 0.3 megapixel depth sensor for that live focus. So as you can see, the main feature of this is a 120Hz display. It's very smooth. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see this in the video, but real hands-on, it's very smooth compared to the normal 60Hz in all smartphones. So this is newly launched, and when it comes to camera features of video, it can record 8K video. Yes, you heard it right. It's 8K 24 frames per second. It's first in a smartphone, and also you have options of recording in 4K 30, 60, same as 1080, 240, 60 and 30. So it's a very good phone for this new era. So let's talk about the price. So Samsung Galaxy S20 comes at 66,999, S20 Plus at 73,999 and S20 Ultra at 92,999. So yeah, that was the quick first look hands-on the new Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. If you like the video, hit on like button, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.